mashara na me sheda mo ni din no course said the tie or no abeka oba pampa chomo ha mo akwa baba Opemsuo 4.7.
Yeah, me this year me je so ebru awie
odama ba cho bibia boko
wadama ene imagine sukutu yes e dia so bebam.
Nice one. For at this stage still I mean modina na say wa hunu dia. I have the CEO herself, Rosegold. Rosegold no say din o, say your company ni din o, and na be me am say there say busa no. Because me hu ohene yire bi so wase, but then e din na wo dinim ne de Mama Rosegold. Mame ewe mo ha. Mam sa mo ha bio. Na mama sha say of say obi aba unyamba na me ni Dr. B din komo. Ono sukra ne title abona bodin wa mehu o doctor or field na sefo. Ye ka oba pa Rosegold a me hu category a me found share. Say celebrity, say influencer, say ohene yira on pen ho asem. Say nso obi ama me. Ese me hu ba bia me hye dan fa won hya kasa. Enti wa abo ane dom me. Ye ka Rosegold ankasa oye hwan jumedi be na wodi
yo we ma chia watiefo nyina we wadama said ye wodi kan na Rosegold and adodo na e de aframe we ma sa chia yewra asante hina ankasa ya de nyina e boni dia na ya boye mu ase sante aka de say kutu ni nyina wadama ono ena ama ya kwan we afi kan say fd ajatu na so kuma se hade ya fa na so Opemsuo ajatu eno no ekira sem bia eni ho sanete de tie no say Rosegold de me na me twantwan so ma ahema ye de asam twene me wadama ntantana so ahema matena teso ama atatu mi din me na me betena na ema so na me tiase seja so me gusu a me di ade do so wadama enya wudie ni bia wo se kire no eno ne ade no eye say kutu eye say bam and me the originator and the favorite CEO me wokuma se abaya so na me the Rosegold luxury boutique and fashion e baaye na wadama me the culture no esan so e blend in yama and awada ma me sa Kenya na emam kakra and na me the terminologies no so no esan so e ma mo na me san so e brand ambassador for the various brands and you can put me in a versatile role say me influencer any way you want to celebrate me so no me san so agene kutu na me the amount say bam me san so ye CEO said me kan no maybe be nyuma amafa amamba wa ne emaya so nyuma omoba juma sanity me bahwa mayako the brands you are affiliated to and then also personally the CEO positions now occupy various at the cry but I just want to ask this on the internet ebi obi hu na udi won komobi ye be hu na o ko ebi awon we yase se bi ukuja obi o ko program bi ye be hu na product bi wo ka ho asem you do a whole lot that people get to know. A whole lot of
but that part of say injuma being an entrepreneur, be a CEO yourself and I'm for you who know that part of you is it say sebi obeka so oba wakwa warepa na ewo ho na wakoto so na wo ye bi and I say this is you Rosegold say bibia mu no hu ne say usi so na wo bo bra wa wo ye unyuma ka ho ebeboa and I say them kind of you just say I be abeto so say nya ware mpo na ebusua de na wo ye bi on the side that when it comes to the business side of you how is it like?
The business is the foundation of everything that you see today.
Okay.
Yes. And obia if you're selling a brand, like I said, me and my baby, and he said, me sell a brand, then I will be so the abattoir and I me ton. And say, me now over so the abattoir.
True.
Obi to me, I fan say, on the over showcasing in Yaman and Kwan, and I send a shop and I a business now in Kwan. But me being a person, I'm me a versatile. And me a pot of gold. Just a name a doors in the goom. And name other source, like said, there be a mechanic. And I don't want to put myself out there. Say me just a CEO. And a CEO no so no. Me no pepe. So there's a me no. And I be a woman who be elegant, classy. And no much that will say. Dear me tono, a be an a woman hono. To who na far. Sir, said they will cancel me call high profile event. And yeah, be an because celebration of life, Wadama. Not a shock with the enemy be that sanity. And you know, some bass up a year na
celebration of lives now.
Sir, na se me ba sa ponto na na say wada ma de waji udi a wo ye na se a eno no de wo me hu bia no e dia dance ye say chiri say e Rosegold akade enti no de me ton bia no e adware me if you meet me ko se me na sing na no all about Rosegold luxury boutique na me ye no enti se wo hu ya eno na me de kire wi sanity.
Let's start with ye kase obi wo ha wati din no we hunu in various other aspects nyoma be bra wo ye o kase credit to you being the CEO of this, being the CEO of that. Juma Woody, as in you being the CEO of Rosegold Luxury Boutique, aside that, what are the jobs and kasa associated with Rosegold?
Sure. Until like I said, Rosegold Luxury Boutique, and we also have Rosegold Luxury Fashion.
Okay.
Boutique, deals with elegance, like I said, classic clothing, designer bags, designer shoes, anything associated with fashion. And Rosegold Luxury Fashion, it comes down to our culture. And also, kente, but all Swiss laces. Laces are papa, free, all the good countries. Yes, I also told Ahenema, and near March, I say, you fire, who are fadia, you kobejoma, a traditional culture. And I say, because African culture, it's no Rosegold Luxury Fashion. About we are so mentorship programs. So I have an empowerment foundation. So they empower a mom. I'm the CEO of Rosegold Empowerment Foundation. And also so they make a mentor a ma. Yes, I'm so the support it. And we have an initiative every year beyond free health screenings. Ebi wa ye no me baby am ye medjuma no tafo 3 miles area ho no yetimi ko bantama different various schools so no mitimi ko ho no na makoye sa adoye no de ama the upcoming generation and I say maya no sanity enti eno no fi ho no ma de esi benchi ya say no e ba be dia de so e wo man mu e Rosegold lounge and bar
me ba ho
sanity
mami fa onyo na me san ko back na me nyese. Having these companies are one listy. Also, I affiliated to other brands.
Sure.
We beka say na on hweso nye wo de na wo se kobo obi de ho dawro. Obi kura beka say na de obo ho dawro ene wo de no ensi akan asin say na Rosegold say we ye menko we ho de a ene adan na me say call no Rosegold na nkasa ho de. And I say you are affiliated to brands that also help promote wo de no.
Okay, me that show me that see Rosegold a brand on its own, and yes, I so I create other inventories. Ain't Rosegold now agent homa adie be a quality. Adie be a selling a selling elegant, a selling luxury. Ain't no me gusu a me bo me de no ho daru no. Na me hunu say obi susu wo no ma the brand factor no ohia obi a obetimi ayeden aboa ono soso no e na wada ma me so ma no nchese nyankopon heda etete no e na wode me san so me na no soso no wode me nante mpentwam e na osan so de me nante kase mu nti na chese betimi agina bibia so aye na ma I believe in myself that I'm able to do that and nti na me jitum se me ye nyina ebeboa omo soso a almost so here sa factor na e wo memu no sanity nti se brand ne ye obi a ogine hu de said ye ode ba public no e quality na emefa e how bi ambre adasade a Rosegold as a brand no ebe pushi sa brand no so then it comes to me so medjuma no so a and so I'll still act as a CEO and still also regulate all the mandatory policies I medjuma say
handling both o de no wa you running it and obi a onim o follow obi anim say just as you are saying nyese media intimeja mu obi say wanyama me from say wa mu workshop hoton wa de till say wakwa abonten na wo advertising hoton till say even obi te hokra na nipa ko ye adwuma Rosegold kra wa nkan ha ye hu no because it's like on at shop 24/7 and also handling people's products me knowing very well say oyo ba ware for nso a wo fia wo hwe wo fia say be wo fia nya ade di agro no how is balancing all these together helping but and as Obeka say you are blessed to have it smoothing at all ends for you
me that say and yes smooth like anyone would testify obi a or all these together no obeka cho say enye smooth. But then that's what makes you a strong woman.
Okay.
Into being a strong woman no and being empowered no e say ubetimi aka na ma we nyina abom no balance no and na ma be a strong woman and ma be empowered. Now what momento obi nso so amana ba be tisasa. Enti no sa various way a wo bo so nyina no. Me ye nyina pepe. Obi be beka ya I think say recently a festival we Kumasi it was held at Greenwood. Now it had so many vendors, and I was part of the planning committee. You know, yes, and Obi testifies say, "Banner me branda, anything you're putting out there, men I'm representing." I was there throughout. I'm here, and Oba ejumamususwa. If I have to be there, if I have to sell out, I'm the brand ambassador for my own company. That's what I say.
No one can do it better.
No one can do it better than me. Ain't no me fixing my timetable. No say they be ya. Meti me aye obi die. Na masaya me so me die kutu. Ain't me die no me die na anche wa. Be dey na wo kasa me ye odie ma. Odie ma ye. Ain't me die no kwa na hia. Me nkasa obi die hia but me die na me ye no den so. Ama wa wo so be hunu. Wo hunu say wo die ne hye me nsa. Say dey me ye me die no. Sa na me ye wo die no so. E the amount. And I'm a creative. I don't depend on anyone. Me management, but me obi na chire me de wose me ye. Me sorry anapa I have a plan. And whatever that I move with, you know, is strictly for me and me intention. Yes. And yes, some akosia will be everything I create. Ghana for being what dance said me dia baby ya. Confirm woman na hwesu bi. Sanity nti obi a okuta that talent. No yes creative no. I'm not sure say so what the next share baby kra na. Bi betime bu nkama ye den afa no because onim de oye. Nti Rosegold luxury de yenim ye. And anya we nso kwan people at the beginning. We are ready for more. We are open for more deals and even more businesses as well. Into we kwa de munya hwehwe e da ade so timade so age kan size bed e da so kutu that's it.
I know that selling brands, you selling yourself, selling products and everything no CC areas now you woman it mainly has to do with social media. These same platforms and so are airboy VT business and then all those no. These same platforms in our comments be no ma be also women be we say Obeka so the facing in pakro growing the brand Rosegold no men can say bad comments but I'm just asking has there been any such comments ABM ma sing otna say oh any and you any minya na menya the foforo and has there been any comments so the aquanic and a woman, but there be way they mean to me. Have there been any such challenging comments? I'm putting it that way. Okay,
Pastor Medasi. Yeah, any paid yes, you cry we. So what I see? Aha, me and come as a Mrs. I won't yes, yeah, the air and won't yes, yeah. Now I win. Aha, and see, any paid ye. Tell me my baby, any hours I see so. Me never crowd. Yeah. So na obeja wo de dia mememu de me guso me ye me ntia futu de me ya na me adwuma na enti se de me kai no obi ya wo de nyame de e ma na ba asase so and na untimi nso ne panyina so so ni and life is all about seasons and times enti season bi wo na se nyame ye wadoma na sa wo so be give an ear and I say ubema e kwan bi abada wo ho a people would come at you in various ways said they open said they open the umbeba. But me na na amade Rosegold am te haidie men kaida ade a chie me ameka say obinti bisa wo no me hu eye wo na wo hu me ade a chie ye a wo ebo me din eye wo na wada ama wo di hu adanse hu say e di adanse enti say wo wonte wo de anwie na wo ka so obetimi me de a eno no ye be che wo kwam enti me de me hu obi a obi na ehu me enti ade achi me na say me all about my business me all about the positivity around the brand me nyine the negative side and ade obi be can be about adwuma na me ye no say eye papa say the kan na we have good comments de papa no me fa na mahwe na maye na me de adwuma na me de aka me de no ho na ayefe said the enya papa no so no kwa de me anon po de me nhwe kra me ntie mpo me ntie na mate aha eno de me kai sam obi ab ma me comment bi a atimi bring me down but I won't give it that attention aha nti obi will follow me bi and me say Rosegold I'm all about my activities de me ya na me ye o kan o wan kan o who say my best so camera and ask my bedroom ho say maybe be chirem actually obi she said you walk no me met makabi
true
nti ada na wo say me man ye me ya said you walk comedian me so me time be hu be come so me wo so wo de actually enti me what am bi wo ho me say wuntimi nya me ana me so me ntimi nya wo na what wo de ade achi ye what wo de wo de so wo akire ho ti say wo comedian wo so wo de so e wo ho enti kotie wachi wachi gu ho sa time no ne fare ba nyina na de aye dey ama ena kuma se bro no ayete so no ye fa bi wanted da I no know kuma se bible ni mamu na wo asante for bible no wanted da wono ya asta ni ba ma sa na ye frɛ no e di enti enten se dwuna wo de so wo ti wo bi dia na wadwen wo so wo de ho se wo so wo de wo akire ho na wakakotie wo akire enti me de obi asem hia me me life am wo mu no sanso so na de wo dwen fa me ho no se be onyi nyankopon na yewura dama enya wo na wo beje atuma ma se be ayekutu de eno no ntimi ensei de me ye no nyame na ekuta me ntimi nim se bia be ye
se na obi nim wa ye di nkomo ya nipa kona be fine say you are jack of all trades
sure
enti see aye ka say there are new additions to the brand Rosegold aye be ko ba metie ya na me hu me phones mu say producers de ayi bia to ho am so de nyoma send them so me mbusa ho bi ana I think that it was also one of the reasons why I was asking about bad comments no
okay
and say who say okwa abonten kwa yi wasante semi idea o mfani ago enti so wakwa yi ase wako program bi wasane na sefo a wo ye no obi ntrom musa wo say ana lady fefefe ye contracting say omre yi asina oba on sana to get people coming and I say and all yeah just you being in your element.
Now the ono so be yero be sun ye obi na contracting to mission
say you want for a contract mo kuzu e yase
sa okay me de
o de o amaso be sun
ye da be sun sa na de me nyam sa na madika aka no
e dey live on Facebook Papa Rosegold dey din ko boy ni fo ni ye dey be toto na wa hunu ono awo na yase address come o ya no a choose be bia obenya bi no Rosegold boutique but na wo kasa
me ba so me da sinti say me kan no attending the event no is all part of selling the brand and nipa na e de omo ya ade nti say obi edi no ho e bebo ana obi eto ade wo ho ana obi be ye wo trusted person na something na oto nsa fra wa e ni wonyam hye e na wo de ahye nipa nyina wo wiase nsusu nya obi ya na sabi yetutu ya na monko na nim se ye kwosere na nim nyam de beta echi nti eni monyam hye so obi be fra ba event nti me do event na se a na me nsusu de metimi de aye ana se de metimi de aka ho ama nsato na oto fra me no mayama aye fe ana se ma hye na monyam no ye sante sem se de wo ka no ye yi a asante fo na de ye ba de be meka wa wonti ase na okaka wu ye ne ye de ma ye yo enti ye kire mo asante akade enti me ma du bia nso so no e wo se di dance enti me nya du na ketefo no de hyema esanse me din no e ya mansan dia to bia bosso na chese wo se me de ne ma so gu akwam na me ya mamere so so e ma mo hu se e da so enti kete ne de obia mo me pa na obia nso so entua me kase me mesa me nye dancer for kiti ana say me nye adowa dancer me nka na sa but me nim sa and minim sa no so de bia medu bia mbesa besa bia no wonti me nka nche me se me sadodo ana me sabo biribi ana me saketo abi enya wo sisi ena enya wo nan ena enya wo nsa na wada ma so ye ransu nti no ye sade ye nsa wo ye kokum fi se ye ye hu de ye wasase so ye wasase so ankasa nti ye na obi kuma se bro no de nyame nko na ye dan no me da se
good okay typical example yi ketene nyum kofo no nze omoba hoye din abonso ajai babonso te ho abonso gidigidi kenesi abodimpa abo bi owodin asan ho ze ozo omoba na omajai ba te ho abonso unhunu wo ze de obo dade no kra no obi akra my abonso no nko start ebo na zo nya te edin Rosegold dey wa na abebo dey
share say Rosegold na say the kind it stands for culture it stands for royalty elegance so say a whole lot of things together so you can go there gold the idea a shrine everybody
and now the other year no true
until the name you know it depicts what it stands for
okay
Rosegold and kasakra no exact color of gold you know and you're common So when rose gold gold ne be asa mix no and other than rose gold nti rose gold ne de e be move mu da bia de money na ene de modama
talking about the brands, the companies, and then everything. I know you have a couple. Anya here, I've been told about 2.
Sure.
As in new brands or new ventures are Rosegold, the Barbecue, the boutique, and then everything, the brand ambassadorial deals, and then everything. Family Remo, then as you say, that Rosegold. Nimwa or de ba ama minim se okuma sin hia opa sabuti enye ze won konkran wonnim hokko ho yenim wo ho but udie mu na wo no wani je wa ho ase wo ha entina even in setting up a business or anything you still want to keep it here then I say Rosegold the line up de amanyen aye wo ha
jo entino ne ma pa na megusu a me bo hu de ro ma kire Ghana fo nyina se bola lege no edoso entino me besa me gina ho ema bola lege yeah
Opemsuo bola lege
no ene ya pese no ya bre wo mo
ona hu go osem no
because mo na hu afu akasa afu nkronyi soso enye nyi papa enti wada ma ye dwene Ghana man ho ye dwene Ghana fon situ ne kumaseman asanteman obi oni me bi enu asanteman de makoma so na said ya woka no we are still lining up businesses ya ye ho asi wo say ye beboa na ye besan so aye adwumaden ahwe ye ho na sabe yenye ni mabone ne tutu asam de adwuma de chi bia nyame de foforo ba ye de beba na de esi benchi ya asese no edi ade asede me kan eda paka mu a eba no Rosegold Lounge and Bar.
Okay.
Now I know you're the home of Oheneri Royal Cuisines.
Okay.
It's Rosegold Lounge and Bar no like a big house. Maybe a dining room no. Somebody wants to feel your kitchen. If you buy your hall, your living room, your way tea. The big picture is the Rosegold Lounge and Bar.
Okay.
And now you're the Oheneri Royal Cuisines no abeshim because I know and I know about baby Emma about baby jina wo nan so because how far now we see wo hu Rosegold luxury boutique ho wie na wada ma ye be fie na wonsa no mbo na ye be fie ana ankora akra no omote na wo makra wo mo no sabe wo amoma no pa ndi a
okay
wo pia wo hu be ye fede but ye ba ofie na wasetena ma ye be hu se e ye kenkwenkwa sanate ena aduane no so ye di ne krom ha no bebre aye chese twisted
okay
ya mix no ye the continental na afra na chese say no ye kra gya ye de na ye di na ye den akwa di continental na chese udi a kira wa ho ya ba wi na wanya ya re kra wachi enti no ya dwen ni nyina ho ena ye hu se de ye dwen Ghana fo ne asanteman ho no ye pese ye nso so no ye de bibi ba na bibi ne ye de ba no obi odo culture bia no odo aduane obi a ope ne man anase ne culture asem bia no odwen na didie ho eyi tudu ba bia na sese be wo ye Ghana ni ana asanteni na se wo kona fufu kra ni ho a wo se na wani je kra ye den abafom na mo wo ko ho na hu se nkwan wo ho ye ka pepper soup a na ye ko fa live soup pa de brewa na wani age na wo ye ko fa de ye de ntrobo bia gugugu ma na tese
pesi bia brewa
I said ye wani je no ankoyi enti ye ni je na ye wo ewo asantesam no titun so ewo aduane na aye den ye die no enti me as a brand so dem akasa me de ma panko a na bre Ghana for enti matena se eye ye aduane papa ye die no ye de culture ne ba attach no
okay
na ye san so de a touch of class
de aka
asade aka ho enti wo tena se a wo di local food de e wo mu se wo di wa wo fi aduane a wa wetma no ade but eden ne ba na ye sonko eden ne ma na ye foforo te se sabe awon mo a wo ba no an fi wo fi anka ba no an bi a in a local way but here the end yes chin yes so and you have to be say asante kan amu enti amu bi a wudie bia na wo de ne yebuka e we na ye original sanity and ye wa champagne pin so abenkwan ai abenkwan a wada ma yetimi de serve ahemfo enti I sa abenkwan wa chekwe wo hu say e be rich and flavorful sanity enti yeah bring a touch of class to our local food and our local enema ye di no wo ye man ye mu ye kuma se he ye mu bibia ye fresh natural a bebo ni padua no ama wo sikroma wo ni padua ni jejina so na won ta de hyem so sa ye den aye fe eno na obi hu wa wo hu se o bobra me me se prema ya no ane abrabo se wo pie na wo sabe wa anko bi ma obi nim de good dem
obi anim
ye kwa ye nya ho wo fa ofie ho a ye ni adaje de ye hia wo na wo ho no eno a na ye de tia wo eno a na ye hweso de ama akonya atena so enti nipadua no ho hia yen na ahofama no so ye den ehia yen sanity enti
if not nyese would say here there I would say is one thing I'm loving about the brand Rosegold ne say if we the ocean abonten ye dey akọ mu bi ehia wo
ehia me
enti akoye say de obedi hu nkomo bia you just have to make sure say
say
the panel o done
the ache ni panel
remember na ye bi Rosegold Lounge and Bar and a hen fan be wo
me patcho you Rosegold Lounge and Bar ohene ye Royal Cuisines no abethen no nyame yadoma August 22nd and ye bia no chenchi ewo Kumase bo no den nyame won se bia ma no bia me se me den nyame enti nyame yadoma ye kɔ den nyame akɔ kane ma gum doso na yakɔ diga na bia na papa chese mfrafra bia enim na yakan nu se ya na ye de amamo akahye enye wo de ni bia na wa na be kahwa enye obi ne be ka che se bola lege na wo de sa
the 22nd of August
nyame ya do
den nyame we say ben a ye be say di ho nkomo
papa
specifically obi pe bia pa kasa na e wo na enye den
kwa ofi santaso run about den nyame kwan na ye wo kwan ho pe
okay and I know say one other product and answer the full front so or they say ba be kan ho no zumi nim sa aba say man and say wo mu dada how is it also like
me pa try nti no me san so ye brand ambassador for Flow 360 official but Flow 360 sanitary pad ye de aba amama na me ye brand no de o de buy no o ye oba sima and I was so ahwe asante me ho hu say Rosegold me advocate for ma me dwene ma ho asiesie ene se de ye be ya ye be gina ye na so yi na ye bibia be kɔ no to enti no Flow 360 ye sanitary pad ye siesie ye ho e fa ye fichi kromu on sa ahemfie ho hia ye eza o fa wo ho na wudu kromu na ne ma do so na ukodu fie na se de me kan ye no ene ma anya yi a na che se e ho no wagu ye ni mase
o max number 4
wa ma ne ma ye twisted enti no Flow 360 de ya dwene ma ho na ya ye so baby one ma or ye heavy flow baby one ma or ye medium obi one ma or ye low or just say on flow kra ni nyina no ye ho akade wo no enti wadwene e ma ho said ye fa se bia wo ye corporate woman a wotena seche wokɔ adwuma ma e bia wakonya no e sheki kakra obi so one ma bia the whole day oba drive it obi so odwom wotena se a said ye woton ade heat ye dan e wodwom enti no sa niema na boso nyina na yadwene ho na yade aye sanitary pad no ama yama o minty flavor bi a ewo ma so wo heat mu kra na sabe kan bi na se bia emma honom afen nso ya ne tintin enti sade wotie bia ne sade wasetena mu tie no sa wotena se che sa wogina ho che bia no ne tintin ye no ebetimi a protect wa sabe enkogu ani asema wachi nkogu ho e wa abonten sa na tie enti sa wo yo basima na wuchi manko ade a Flow 360 a sanitary pad me angasa na meda so a me de kire Ghana man nyina enti very very quality and a comfortable so to wear enti nyame ya do ma 7th August so no ye the Flow 360 tie sikuma so dum tie sikrom to hia me kwa no ho a Flow 360 na wadama eno so me na ma eda me ha ena me de kire wo to hia se eda ba bi foforo bia batwa na nyame a
obeton so atode da ha na wo no ya ma no
be da me boso no eno na wo se woto enti na gu me boso sa na me de kire wo no enti we no eda ha o se do so
ye me ma no ma de bi dia koye ye me beboa
sanity
na ma ne nso no de wo form na eze yidi wi ni e ba o se fichire honom no ahimfi ho ne kama 7th August for Flow 360 and at 22nd August for Ohene Royal Cuisines. Mrewum, it means say proud to say bedru ho no. Yen so kakra bit my wa ha se ne yedi nkomo yi. Ya bebo ho dero akakra ma manfo ahu no. Mre ne so kona se mre bemu na bit me asa ba proud to especially Ohini's Royals cuisine na ehoni hia me pa
grand opening no
grand opening hia me pa nti mrebem na wunyamre a no abana no nso nkomo ne asedi obapa ye sorry so the asem na beka che ye tifo ya hwefo wa dofo obi bia wonim the brand Rosegold no the asem na person oketwa to edija
me ba show me that see bebre se me that so free and I will have a enne so awie na me kan say asante podo e say tare say pampe e say wonkom so say chin e ma no de omo hia me a omo Rosegold na ma je omo so say say enye wudie ni bia we no eye say kutu eye say bebam na de ma no kwase sa yo mo de kura no esan so ne say me san so ye ntantana so ye ma me tena de so eti ma no de me say me no mo na ewu ada wo yo ba so na wada ma wo he na ne ma nkoyi a na wa be hume ana sa wa follow me wo follow me nyana me kire nyame adwuma na say wo he so wo ya ma wo de akoso ane eti me chia obi bia oti Opemsuo radio the original the Asantema Jatum sanity na me din chia kase so ma me sponsors and me brands am no mo yedwuma nyina because me bobo say Flow 360 official smart up natural mineral water ready white oats say eno ene yekoko memra yedie ane ena me pacho me sign so brand ambassador for and men's pharmaceuticals no ye odofie ye de siesie ema ye dofie no ya hemfie ho no ene ntie no so no mebo ho de wura kire ma na se kona kwaje wode na fa siesie ahemfie ho na me ya dom so a se de maka no ye tie sikrom eti wo hia ya na che se wode ababebo so na ye ne ma do so ene ma kutu se chiri makramo de mu wodene
yes ye da se onya amre ne yedi nkomo obi a wo ton adepa oba adepa ho de o ka adepa ho asem ana hu hia se mana konya ne yedi nkomo jo baba Rosegold da se so buy we look forward to the 7th and also the 22nd.
God bless
yes ye da se for Rosegold na ye ne di nkomo fa dwumadi e ba so de wo ye ne bibia